Just a quick little clip before I show you the video. This video you're about to see is part of my little Newbo market series, short series on some of the vendors inside the market, how they got started, and all that stuff. I had shown a video with the yarn shop in my extensive interview and learn about the people and what got them started in it and what made them want to open a shop and all that stuff. And I'm just so curious about people anyway, so it was quite an adventure for me learning about these shops and pretty much the guts it takes to open them. The video you're about to see on the vendor is called The Rare Bird Shop, and it just shows all the variety of stuff that the shop owner makes and how she creates her own recipes, you could say. And yeah, I also got some stuff, but I'll show you a clip of that here at the end. Anyway, here's the video. Show some things. So this is the Rare Bird soap shop. It's another vendor here in the Newbo market. Of course, I cannot walk out of this shop empty-handed, but they got some amazing soaps and different things, or muscle soap and lotions and anti-bug bug repellent. And look at all the different types of soaps that they have, and anise and lavender, patchouli. Y'all know patchouli, my favorite. And just absolutely so many beautiful, soft, luscious soaps, all natural, handcrafted soaps. Coffee, you know, coffee scrub. Just got little burners, wax melts, and it's all natural kind of place. And look at this place. I cannot even begin to tell you how heavenly it smells. Look, even some soap bags. Some soap bags and some loofah and body lotions, massage oils, hand soap, facial cream, because you know, as we get older we all need that extra help. And look, so many different facial serums, facial mist, body and linen sprays, clay mask, y'all, incense sticks, different photos, wool dryer balls, and even some delicious lip balm, y'all, but don't eat it. And we got a charcoal bar. Yeah, we're shopping at this spot. You want to pick out some deodorant? They even have pet shampoo bar. Holy cow. Of course, my cats would absolutely not tolerate that. All the different essential oils, so many scents, roll-on oils to wear like a perfume, and then essential oils. You can burn these in a little thing here, and even baby powder, talc-free, body butter, and essential oil bracelets. You just put the oil on the lavadies. And then she has her little discounted section here. So, and you know, that is life right there. I like the hand salves. Okay, tell me all about your shop and your soaps and what got you here, what got you started. Just so curious.
Yeah, well, I'm Wendy Fugate. I'm the owner and founder of Rare Bird Soap Shop, and it all started with a book my mom gave me on handmade soaps. And so I started making them for my own personal use, and it was so much fun, and the soaps were so great that I started selling them. And I started out at farmers markets and then ended up at Newbo, and I have been here. I'm starting my 9th year this month here at Newbo City Market.
Wow,
So, yeah,
wow.
so
That's awesome.
so, and I make everything from scratch. They're all my own recipes. And yeah, it's a lot of fun. And it's a great place to be.
That's awesome. So that's a long time to be here, 9 years. You know, I've only recently found out about Newbo, like maybe a few months ago.
Oh, okay. Well,
I didn't
we
even
should
know it
advertise a little more then, I
existed.
guess. Yeah.
So what is your most popular scent, do you think? Or top 5? Should we do top 5?
Oatmeal, milk, and honey is number 1. Rosemary and lavender is second. Then Nag Champa, Peace Out, and just some of the other earthy scents. Oh, lilac or lily of the valley for sure falls into that category. So yeah.
So did you start, you said you were going to like farmers markets and stuff before you came here. Did you own a shop somewhere else?
No,
in between
I
all
was
that?
actually, I just needed a life change and a career change, and so that's what I kind of just started playing around with, and so I do this all full time, and I have for several years now, so
That's awesome. So do you use all natural
I
ingredients?
do, yes. I used coconut, shea butter, olive oil, sunflower oil in a lot of my products, and essential oils, and herbs.
Okay. Do you have a website or someplace where somebody may want to order from? Or
Yeah, you
or a
can find me
business
on
card?
Etsy, and I
Etsy.
also have a website. Just Google Rare Bird Soap Shop, and all of my information comes up. So.
That's awesome. Awesome. Well, it is really just a very lovely store. You have everything here as far as skincare, even for the puppy dog.
Oh yeah, I have
So-
a pet shampoo bar. So
I think that's so awesome.
Well, thank you.
Thank you so much for sharing your shop with us.
You're welcome.
You like that video? Not as long as the last one, I know, but very interesting on how she got started and her curiosity and how she grew it into a business. So I wanted to show you what I bought from the shop. So when she makes her own soaps and she cuts them, she gets these little, I don't want to say slivers because that sounds like it's just very like paper thin, but I bought my daughter 2 of soaps like this. So it is smaller than her regular soaps. And rather than just throw these away, she decided to sell them at a discount in her shop. So you could get these little sample soaps for $2 a piece. And I don't know if she sells these online also or not. Everything else she sells online. And you can look up her shop like she said in the video. All you have to do is Google the Rare Bird Shop. Soap shop, sorry. The Rare Bird Soap Shop. She has an Etsy store, so you know she'll ship out of Iowa. That's right. And everything is made all natural ingredients using essential oils and natural oils. And let me tell you, her little shop smelled heavenly. And it was so hard to pick the things that I wanted, and I had a very limited budget at the time. So I got my daughter 2 of these. These are $2 a piece. And then I got myself some perfume oil, patchouli, because it's my most favorite scent in the whole world. And I use this almost every day, and it's a roll-on style, and you can see inside it's got the oil, and it smells so heavenly. And she's just got so many different scents. There's one for everybody, so check her out. I think I forgot to grab one of her business cards. But like she said, and like I just said, you can Google her and it'll bring up her Etsy shop and everything right away, or you can go on Etsy and search for Rare Bird Soap Shop. That's right. So this isn't just something that you have to come to Iowa to buy. Anybody can purchase from her Etsy shop. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. This was a fun adventure. I've got 2 more vendors I'm going to feature, which are food vendors. And they have some interesting information too. One of them is going to be a little shorter because I'm going off memory. He sometimes he likes to be on video, other times he very much shies away from a camera. So I just sat and had a conversation with him. And then the other one I did get a video about. So I hope that you enjoy this little exciting adventure and of things that are offered in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. And maybe in the comments you guys can tell me something unique about where you live that you like to visit often. Anyway, we'll see you in the next video, and until then, stay safe, do acts of kindness, take care of each other, and do it for the sake of humanity. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.